flowers, however you want to say it. I don't actually know why I said it as florals anyway. It's just flowers. They're flowers. It's a floral arrangement, and these are flowers. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Of course, you read the title, you know what's happening. You are probably just as excited as me, I hope, fingers crossed. So yeah, let's just jump into this Valentine's Day content. I'm super excited, and before you say anything, okay, I know I'm late, okay, I get it, I understand. Victoria, Valentine's Day is like in a couple of days. I know, I thought of this idea, I came up with this idea like at the beginning of this week, and I was really contemplating just like not doing it and just doing it next year, but I was like, you know what? No, let's just go ahead and do it because I really want this to be a start of a series of things I do for all the holidays. So yeah, I'm just going to do it even though we are obviously late. And we're just gonna jump into it now. I'm gonna do a screen recording that I will share with you guys up here. So starting off, as you can see, I have a full Valentine's Day home Pinterest board just for you guys. I made this just for you, and so there is a lot of pink in here. I am not a pink girl, if you cannot tell. I was like trying to find something to wear today, and all I could find was white. And I was like, oh yeah, I have a red wig. So this year I'm gonna buy more pink so that we can have more outfits and stuff for next year. But anywho, that's besides the point. First thing up that you guys will see pinned at the very top is going to be some table decor. I love a good table, place settings of that nature, stuff like that. I'm so sorry, my camera died there for a second. I don't know why that did that. I really hope it works better. If you watch my vlogs, you know the struggle. But yeah, so we have place settings and table settings, and I just feel like this is such an easy way to just add for one color to a room and an area, and to just like design for a holiday. So I really love the pink flowers that are set up, the pink cups. This one is more on the simpler side that I chose. There is another one that was right next to it. This one, it's a little bit more, okay? We have heart plates here, okay? We have pink napkins, we have like the love in the center. So this is giving a little bit more, so that's why I wanted to give you guys both two options there, because these are things that you can easily find, and you can just like keep them for whenever. You can keep them for specifically Valentine's Day, or you can keep it if you were just wanting to change up your table arrangements, because that happens too. We get bored of things. We get bored of things very quickly. So starting off there, that's gonna be table. Now another thing that I really love the idea with is just candy. Candy is such a simple way with like glass jars to just add like colors, or to make areas like a specific like feeling or vibe. And like Valentine's Day is the time where we probably eat way too much chocolate, so like why not fill up jars with cute pink candies and chocolates? Like I feel like that would be easy and just so cute, and you would definitely have just a moment of like clean organization, which would be super cute as well. So I am here for the pink candies and the white jars. Do it, girl. Do it. Why did I say that like that? Do it, girl. I'm just kidding. But jumping down, so we have some table placements. So if you have a coffee table, these would be great ways to just add that like Valentine's Day touch to your tables. One of the ones that you'll see repeated here is going to be this tic-tac-toe type table placement, because of course, love, XOXO, Gossip Girl, I'm just kidding. But yeah, so XOXO is of course something that we say, we write, we do for Valentine's Day. And so just having that cute little like placement, you can have that out all year too, but just during this time of the year, it will really just make your home feel like Valentine's Day and Valentine's Eve, and just spice it up a little bit, you know? And you can play it too, which is fun. Like, why not have that? Jumping down, you'll see these vases. I love these vases. They are rose gold vases. And so another simple way to just like add like some Valentine's Eve flair, or like just change things up for the holidays. I don't know if you guys can tell, but we're just going for like the little things to insinuate, hey, it's Valentine's Day at my home, but not changing it to the max where it's like in your face, it's Valentine's Day in my home. So yeah, like these rose gold, they have that pink hue to them. I love that it gradually gets lighter at the bottom, so it has that pink and white feel to it. They're just very beautiful. They're very classic. They're for my girls who just don't want too much, but you want to give that vibe of Valentine's Day. So you have those. Now jumping down, I did kind of split the decor items. So I know there are my girls who have like the creams, the whites of their couches, and then there are the girls who have like the darker couches, like I do, the grays, the blacks. So I just wanted the decor items to kind of favor both of those areas, because some items aren't gonna look so great. Like me personally, I would not put a very light pink pillow on a black couch. I feel like it wouldn't be ugly. In no way, shape, or form would it be ugly. It's just not the vibe that I would go for in that type of setting, in that type of room colored aesthetic, if that makes any sense. So for my girls with the darker black and dark gray couches, I would actually lean towards more of like a burgundy, like plum type of color there. Just on the lower, probably close to like what my hair color is picking up there for you guys, in the reds area of that, just so it's still giving Valentine's Day, but it's also giving like just warmth, sophistication. Like it looks like you put this together on purpose for the aesthetic of the overall room, and not just specifically for Valentine's Day, if that makes any sense. So we have this knit throw blanket. You know, guys, how I feel about my knit throw blankets, guys. I have an obsession. It is a problem that I am okay with. So we have, of course, our knit throw blanket. And then also, if we go back out, we have these pillows that I think are so cute. These just big throw pillows that I love. I even like the texture of them. And so just to give you guys a reference of exactly what type of couch I was going for, it was this couch right here. A couch similar, it doesn't have to be that exact couch. I just realized saying that made it sound like you have to go out and buy this exact couch for it to work. You do not. That is not what I'm saying. But then for my girls with the lighter couches, the creams, the whites, the nudes, on this side of the color palette, we have, of course, some candles that would fit perfectly. Pinks and nudes go so well together. Pinks and whites go so well together. So that's why on this side, I picked these candles. I just really loved the way they were looking. I feel like candles is an easy way to switch things out because we burn through candles so quickly. Like, let's not even lie to ourselves. Most of us can barely keep a candle for like a month. So the next time you go to the store, you could just get a candle that's pink. It's Valentine's Day. Right there, simple and easy. And then of course we have some pampas, because pampas is very, very trending right now. Everyone is loving pampas, and it actually comes in so many other colors. I feel like we always see the nude pampas or like the white pampas, and we think that's all that there is. There are so many colors of pampas grass, guys. Just get on there and search for whatever color you want. And I feel like just changing out your pampas grass, these are just very simple things that'll make your home feel like, hey, it's Valentine's Day, it's a new season, it's a new time, but it's not screaming at you in your face that it's Valentine's Day. And then so Down below, we of course have this beautiful pink soft pillow, and I love soft throw pillows. It says that it's giving like a pinky peaches vibe, so if that's a color that you guys were looking for, that's on the side of it that it is. And I love the little indent. I'm into that now. There's like another inspiration pillow situation like this as well. Like, I just love chopping pillows. When people chop pillows, it like satisfies me on the inside, I'm not even gonna lie. So yes. And then of course we have our pink florals or flowers, however you want to say it. I don't actually know why I said it as florals anyway. It's just flowers. They're flowers. It's a floral arrangement, and these are flowers. But anywho, I just think in like a clear vase, like this one is, it can be a square vase, it can be a round vase, it can be a tall vase, it can be a short vase. You do not have to hold exactly to this picture, but I just think pink flowers in a clear vase is something simple and easy. And just one thing I wanted to touch on here is that all of these things that I put in here for you guys are things that, for one, if you go get flowers, they're not gonna last for very long if you get the real ones anyway. So it's not something that you're committing to for your home decor. And secondly, like same with candles, like if you go get candles, we already talked about it, they're gonna be burned in like a month. So it's not a commitment, but it's at least like, if you guys want to step out and just try to make your homes a little bit more holiday or festive, or just jazz it up from time to time, these are just super easy ways to do that without spending a lot of money, and also without making it like just aggressive in your home, I guess I could say. Because I know, especially with a lot of the holidays that aren't Christmas, like we tend to not really know how to decorate or like what to do for them besides just like throw up hearts everywhere or just throw out that Be Mine candy everywhere. So I just wanted to hop in and just give a little bit of sophistication to Valentine's Day and some of the other holidays. So yes, you heard me right. I will be doing this for some other holidays as well. So definitely stay tuned, guys. I hope you guys like this little short video of just me going through some ideas for you guys. Please leave a comment down below, and I will be more than happy to do this again, because like I told you, I'm already gonna do it again, so you can't stop me anyway. But yeah, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.